All right, live look at our Solar Smart Sky Cam tonight. Looking at Tarpon Point Marina and some showers and storms popping up off in the distance, but plenty of blue skies out there. We really didn't see a lot of rainfall today, and it looks like that's going to be the trend, at least through the middle to end part of the week, as we're going to get some drier air in here, and that should cut down on the rain chances. And also a bit of surprise for all of us that are tired of the high humidity. We're going to get some lower humidity in here by the end of the week as well, which we'll talk about in a second. A few showers and storms, though, developing across parts of northern Palm Beach County up into sections of Martin and St. Lucie County over on the east coast. But we've seen a few showers popping up along the sea breeze as it's pushed inland through the afternoon. And really not much coverage here throughout the day, but you can see they're just kind of making their way through East Lee County now. Lehigh Acres, some light showers. They do appear to be weakening south and east of Buckingham and also down around Immokalee as well. Some light showers mainly to the west of Immokalee now in extreme southeastern portions of Lee County. Last but not least, east of 29 over into portions of Collier County. These are tracking off towards the south and east. Should cross over the Tamiami Trail here shortly, but that's really about it. Looks like we're just going to be quiet here for the rest of tonight, and temperatures are still going to be warm. It'll still be a little bit on the humid side outside as well. 80s and 90s now, still feeling like around 100 up towards Arcadia. Heat index was up to about 103, 104 degrees in some areas this afternoon. So 80s this evening, a few isolated showers, otherwise dry with a northwest wind 5 to 10. It looks like tomorrow chances for rain even lower as some drier air starts pulling into the region on the backside of Hurricane Humberto, which now is beginning to make its way off towards the north and east. You can see the center circulation now moving quickly away from the area. I think this could be a problem for Bermuda later in the week. We're also keeping an eye on this area of disturbed weather. This is Invest 97, a tropical wave that we're expecting to develop here over the next 5 days or so. Has a pretty high chance. You can see the latest track, though, on Humberto. Going to be a Category 2 hurricane, looks like, by tomorrow, but then it'll pass close to Bermuda and head way out into the open Atlantic before transitioning to what we call extratropical here by the end of the week. 90% chance of development over the next 5 days with this wave. It looks like this one, though, is going to be staying well east of our region and will likely be a fish storm as it takes advantage of a weakness in the Bermuda high that's going to develop here by the end of the week. So we're not concerned about this one. Last but not least, area disturbed weather off the Gulf Coast here. We expect this one to bring a lot of rain, though. The parts of coastal Texas and Louisiana, upwards of 10 inches in the Houston area, only a 20% chance of development there. Here's the drier air I was talking about. Now, as we go into Wednesday, we're going to get what's called a backdoor cold front, or a front that comes in from a different direction than what we typically see. It'll be coming in from the north and east. We'll have a little moisture around on Wednesday with that as it pushes through, so a slight chance for a shower with that. But notice the brown, the drier air starts to push in Thursday and Friday, and that is going to cut down on our rain chances and also bring us a nice drop in the humidity. So it looks like it'll be dry tonight and dry for tomorrow, and then a couple of showers in the forecast Wednesday as that front pushes through, but right now that chance only at about 20%. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Let me show you where we're going to go. Now, even though it looks like we're not going to drop that much, but 89 is going to feel a lot better than 93, 94, especially with lower humidity. And notice that the winds pick up a little bit, so it'll turn a little breezy here by Thursday, Friday, into the first part of the weekend as we get some of that drier air in. But notice those lows getting down to around 70. And places like Arcadia and Port Charlotte could drop into the upper 60s by the end of the week as well for morning lows.